Hello, all of you students. Welcome to the online class organized by South Practice Group. Myself, Ravi Kumar Jha. Today, we will be discussing about some problems related to theorem, parallelograms. In question number 1, calculate the area of trapezium ABC. Drawing trapezium, that means ABC. First of all, we can draw the figure. A, B, C, D. Oh, D. There is 23 centimeter BC and this is 28 centimeter, 16 centimeter. And there is AD. First of all, you can find the AD. AD equal to 16 centimeter, BC equal to 23 centimeter, EC equal to 28 centimeter. Therefore, ED equal to EC minus DC. ED equal to EC minus DC. 28 cm minus 23 cm is equal to 5. After, in triangle ADE, there is ED is 5 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. Then we can find the measure of AD. Now, in right angle triangle, AD square is equal to, or AD is equal to root under AE square minus AD square. AD is 10, that means the square of the 6, 10 is 100 and ED is 5, which is the triangle square. Is equal to 7 meters. Now, area of trapezium ABC equal to, I have to be related to the formula of trapezium, 1 by 2 into sum of parallel lines, that is we can write there AB plus AC into height, which is AD. 1 by 2, AB is 16 and this is a 28. 16 and 28 and AD is, we have 5 root 3. 8, 6. Now next question. There is the next question, 2 number. Find the area of quadrilateral PQRS given in the joining figure where is 3RB equal to 2PA equal to QS is equal to 12 centimeter. First of all, we draw the figure. PQRS. Solution here 3RB equal to 2PA is equal to QS equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, RB equal to 3 RB equal to 12. That means RB is equal to 12 by 6 is equal to 4 centimeter. 2PA is equal to 12. That means you can write there PA equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. And QS equal to 12 centimeter. This is a quadrilateral PQRS. What is the area of quadrilateral? We know area of quadrilateral is 1 by 2 into sum of perpendicular lines. Sum of perpendicular line which is situated on the diagonal and into diagonal. So you can write there directly area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to 1 by 2. Diagonal means QS, and we have write the QS into RB plus PA. After that, substitute the value of this. QS is 12 and RB is 4 centimeter and PA is 6. 1 by 2 into 12 into 10. 6 equal to 60 cm square. After that, we will go to question number 3. This is the given figure in question number 3. We have to, in this figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. I think you know quadrilateral means one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So we can write there AD parallel BC. If you not write also, because we are going to write in the given AB equal 10 cm. PC equal to 22 cm. And AG equal to 16 cm. Which are given? This is 16. After that, BC, perpendicular BC and AD parallel to BC. First of all, we can draw their constructions. P. AE perpendicular BC draw. After that, find the measure of BE. BE is equal to BC minus EC. The BC is we have a given 22 centimeter, but EC is not given. So we can substitute the value of EC is equal to AD. How? Value of EC is AD. I think you know AD is parallel to BC, and by the construction, this is a perpendicular line. The perpendicular line which is situated between two parallel lines is always parallel. So you can, I think you better know if you have in a quadrilateral having opposite sides are parallel, then this is a parallelogram. So opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. The BC minus EC, that means EC value is equal to AG. BC is 22 and this is a 16. 6 centimeter. BD is 6 centimeter. After that, we will go to going to the triangle ABE. A right angle triangle. ABE. AE equal to root under AB square minus BE square. AB is 10, so a square of AB is 100, and this is BE is 6, so a square of this is 36, 64, 8 centimeter. AE is 8 centimeter. So therefore you can write there AE equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter. Now, area of trapezium ABCD equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel lengths, that means AD plus BC, and height is we have to find, I think, triangle ACD area. So directly you can find the area of ACD, area of triangle ABC. 1 by 2 base into height, AD is base and height is DC. 1 by 2 AD is 16 and DC is 8 cm. Equal to 64 cm. Now we go to the last question, 4 number. In these questions, the area of two parallelograms are equal and their altitudes are 6 cm and 9 cm. So we can draw two different figures of parallelograms in 4 number. ABC. And we have also altitudes of, these are given, the altitude of this parallelogram is 6 cm. And another parallelogram we have given PQRS. Altitude of this parallelogram is 9 cm. And I have also given if the base of first parallelogram is 12 cm. Base means this. And find the base of another parallelogram. After that, you can write the area of parallelogram ABCD equal to area of parallelogram PQRS. Because these are given. We have also already in the given area parallelograms are equal. So directly you can add the area of parallelogram ABCD equal to area of parallelogram PQRS. Or base into height. I think you know the area of parallelogram ABCD, E and PQRS. The AE equal to QR into PT. BC is 12 and this is a 6 equal to QR into 9, or QR equal to 12 into 9, that means by 9. QR is equal to 8 cm. Therefore, required base of another parallelogram is 8 cm. The next day will be discuss about another STOM problems and other problems related to these theorems. Thank you.